Hi guys, I'm Juliana, your automotive woman. Like you, I'm practicing social distancing. So unfortunately, I can't bring you any new car reviews, but what I can do is help show you basic car maintenance, which you can do at home while saving money. So today, I'm going to show you how to change your cabin air filter. Okay, before we jump into it, I just want to express my well wishes to you, your friends, and family. I hope you're all safe and healthy. Now, let's help save you guys some money. Changing your cabin air filter is one of the easiest things you can do. And typically, you're going to want to change it about 1 to 2 times per year, depending on where you live. And on average, if you can do your own replacement, you're going to be saving about $65 to $150 per replacement. For example, I drive a Lexus IS 300 F Sport all-wheel drive. I purchased my cabin air filter for just over $40 after tax, but by changing it myself, I saved at least $70. I don't know about you guys, but I prefer that $70 in my pocket. Now, let's get to work. First, you want to locate where your cabin air filter is, and depending on the year and model of your car, there are 3 places to consider. Under the hood in this area, below the dashboard on the passenger side in this area, or typically, like most current models and like mine, inside the glove box. Here are a few more tips before you get started. Make sure your seat is all the way back so you have room to work. Put a towel or something on the ground to potentially catch loose items. And remember how you remove items? So when you put everything back, it goes back the same way. But just in case you forget, everything is labeled for you. Okay, it's time to get started. First, you're going to want to make sure you remove everything from your glove box. Okay, remembering how you took it out so it's easy to replace back in. My Lexus has an extra layer, so yeah, you just simply remove it. All the way at the back is where you will find your cabin air filter. Simple to remove the cover, okay? You just push in the clips like that. Simple, very simple. Okay, same thing when you are removing the cabin air filter, okay? Again, these clips, you push them in, you pull out. You're gonna wanna pull it out gently because you don't want everything to fall out on your floor. But like I recommended, put a towel down to catch all the extra debris. Removing it, real simple. Squeeze, pull out, squeeze, pull out, take it out, okay? Replacing, it just is easy. First of all, your air filter tells you which way you're gonna wanna put that in, okay? Same way you put it in, or sorry, the same way you took it out is the same way you put it back in. Okay, everything's nice and secure, okay? Slide it back in, listen for the clips. Okay, it's all in. Reverse the steps. Okay, again, listen to the clip. There you go. Put your extra level in. Nice and easy. Honestly, if I wasn't talking, that literally took me less than a minute to do, and I just saved myself $70. Let's start her up. Amazing. Okay guys, seriously, you know, during this time, it's important that you are staying home, practicing social distancing, and saving yourselves money. So hopefully I helped you with showing you how to change the cabin air filter today. Really, really easy. Also, if you notice, I touched a lot of things. So if you missed my video previously, a simple water and vinegar mixture goes a long way to helping to disinfect your car. But with that, I hope you guys hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Please continue to practice social distancing.